Who are sharing the PPT from your group? Roll number 25, 34, 27. Anyone? 41 and 4. Roll number 4.
Yes, ma'am.
हा मॅडम, तुमच्यातलं कोण पीपीटी शेअर करणार आहे ग्रुप मधलं?
Roll number 25.
ओके. हा मॅडम, now I given you the host setting. You may share your screen. मोहिनी जमदाडे. Madam, now your screen is visible. Now you start.
Yes, ma'am.
Now screen is closed.
Good. I am audible?
Ha madam, you are audible, but screen is not there. Ha, now screen is visible. Okay.
Okay. Good morning to all. We will share the PPT on transdermal drug delivery system. My group members are Pooja, Pratiksha, Trupti, and Sheetal. I will share the PPT on introductory part and permission through the skin in transdermal drug delivery system. First, introduction. In therapeutic system are defined contained.
Madam, slide is not moving. Slide is on the first page. Oh. Okay, okay.
Okay. Transdermal therapeutic system contained this dosage form, which when applied to the intake skin, deliver the drug at the controlled rate to the systemic circulation. It is the delivery of drug through the skin into the bloodstream. A simple patch that you stick onto your skin like an adhesive bandage, which utilize the passive diffusion of drug across the skin as a delivery mechanism. Now we will see the history of transdermal drug delivery system. The transdermal patch was in 1981 to prevent the nausea and vomiting associated with the motion sickness. The has approved 2003 more than 55 transdermal patch products spanning 30 molecules in the USA. US approved $1 in 2010. The transdermal was 11 molecules. The some example is here: fentanyl, nitroglycerin, ethynyl estradiol, non-ethylene acetate, testosterone, clonidine, lidocaine, scopolamine. The two new recently approved products which related to the receptive patch, estradiol and non-ilgestromin, and to treat overactive bladder containing the.
1 minute, madam. Your voice is not clear. Anyone having the same problem, or it is only for me? It is audible.
Yes, ma'am, audible.
ओके, ठीक आहे, नो प्रॉब्लेम. मीन्स मला काहीतरी नेटवर्कचा इश्यू असेल, आय डोंट नो. ठीक आहे, कंटिन्यू.
Okay, ma'am. A transdermal drug release system is the of therapeutic agent for the systemic effect. Only small drug are available for transdermal drug release systems. That during operations of the transdermal drug delivery systems in that related to the physical properties, molecular size, and the purity. We can prepare only less molecular size drug and properties related problems are the irritations when applied on the skin causes thermal irritation and have the ingredient bioavailability. We see the diagram of bandage which are transdermal drug delivery systems. Various components are involved in the transdermal drug delivery system, that is thermal patch. In that device, the polymer are used the adhesive friendly adhesive used inner drug during the usage. I am audible.
Yes, madam, audible.
Next slide explained by Pooja.
Okay, continue.
Sorry, Pratiksha.
Okay.
Morning. I am Nagargoji Pratiksha, roll number 41. I am going to tell about the advantages and disadvantages of transdermal drug delivery system. In the advantages, first is avoidance of first pass metabolism. If the drug is given by oral route, then possibility of the first pass metabolism and loss of activity. But if the drug is given by the transdermal patch, we can avoid the first pass metabolism. Then second is avoidance of gastrointestinal incompatibility. We can avoid gastrointestinal compatibility in transdermal drug delivery system. Then third is predictable and extended duration of activity. We can predict the duration of action of the drug. Then fourth is minimizing undesirable side effects. Side effects can be minimized. Fifth is provides utilization of drugs with short biological half-lives and narrow therapeutic window. Those drugs which are having narrow therapeutic window and short biological half-lives, they are easily incorporated into the transdermal drug delivery system. Sixth, enhance therapeutic efficacy by avoiding first pass metabolism and avoiding GIT incompatibility. We can increase bioavailability and ultimately increase the therapeutic efficacy. Seventh is drug administration. Stop with patch removal. In case of any side effects, drug administration stops by removing the patch. Then eight, alternate route for patients who are unable to take oral medications. Those patients who are unable to take drug orally, they refer the transdermal drug delivery system. Then nine, improved patients compliance and comfort via non-invasive, painless and simple applications. Transdermal patch is a simple and painless applications. Then 10th is self-medication is possible. Next. Then disadvantages. First is only small lipophilic drugs can be delivered. Those drugs are lipophilic in nature. They are easily passed through the skin. Then drug molecules must be potent because patch size limits amount. Dose of drug is in limited amount due to size limit of patch. So for the therapeutic effect, potency of drug is necessary. Then drugs with very low partition coefficient fail to reach blood circulation. Fourth is higher cost. Fifth is drug with long life cannot be formulated in transdermal drug delivery system. Then sixth is erythema, itching, and local edema can be caused by the drug, the adhesive, or other excipients in the patch formulations. In patch formulations, adhesive and excipients are used, so itching, erythema can occur. Then cannot use it for large molecules because large molecule cannot diffuse in skin layers. Next slide will be explained by Pooja.
Good morning. My name is Pooja Lokhande and my roll number is 34. I am going to give introduction about pathways of permeation through skin. So before knowing about the pathways of permeation through skin, we have to know about the structure of skin. So here is the structure of skin. The skin is very effective as a selective penetration barrier. The epidermis provides the major control element for the drug penetration. The human skin is made up of three layers, that is epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis. The epidermis is further divided into five layers, that is stratum corneum, stratum lucidum, stratum granulosum, stratum spinosum, and stratum basale. The dermis is made up of blood vessels and various glands like sweat gland, sebaceous gland, and hair follicles. And the last one, hypodermis, which is made up of adipose tissue, arteries, and veins. Next slide. So here is the pathways of permeation through skin. There are two main pathways, that is transepidermal route and transfollicular route. The transepidermal is further divided into transcellular and paracellular. The transcellular means intracellular, means within the cell, and paracellular means intercellular, means within the cell. Next. The permeation through skin. First one is transfollicular route. It is shortest pathway. It provides the large area for diffusion of drug. For example, sodium fluorescein. The transcellular route. The drug passes from corneocytes of stratum cornea. This route suitable for hydrophobic drug. And third one is intercellular route. A drug passes the alternating lipid and aqueous domain by partitioning into lipid bilayer, diffuse into inner side, suitable for uncharged lipophilic drug. The further detailed explanation of these pathways will be given by Sheetal and Trupti. Thank you.
Good morning to all. I am Sheetal Kail. My roll number is 27. I am going to explain about transfollicular pathway. It is a shortest pathway, and a large area of diffusion of drug are available through this pathway. Generally, fractional area available for this pathway are 0.1%. Human skin, in this human skin, and on human skin, 40 to 70% hair follicles are present, and 200 to glands are present in a square centimeter. And through this drug takes place, called a transfollicular pathway. Mainly water soluble substances are diffused faster through appendages than that of the other layer. Sweat gland and hair follicle act as a shunt. That is diffusion through rate limiting through stratum corneum. The skin appendages like sebaceous and eccrine glands are considered as a shunt for bypassing the stratum corneum. Follicular root is important for permeation because the opening of the follicular pore is relatively large and sebum aids in the diffusion of the penetrant. Partitioning into the sebum followed by the diffusion to the depth of the epidermis is the mechanism. And through this pathway, generally sodium fluorescence diffusion are occur. Remaining part would be explained by Trupti.
Good morning to all. I'm Trupti Bad, roll number 4. I will explain clearance by local circulation. The earliest point of entry of drug into the systemic circulation is within the papillary plexus in the upper epidermis. The process is thus regarded as the end point. Next slide. A transdermal absorption. Transdermal is a route of administration wherein active ingredients are delivered across the skin for systemic distribution. Stratum corneum is the main resistance for absorption through this route. Permeation involves partitioning of the drug into the stratum corneum. Permeation through the skin depends upon the O by W distribution tendencies of the drug. Lipophilic drug concentrate in and diffuse with a relative ease. Permeation through the dermis is through the interlocking channels of the ground substance. Thank you.
Okay, next roll number.
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute. Anyone have any question? Madam, make me the host again. Mohini madam. Assign me the host setting. Then next group, wait, I will 30, 43, 55, 59 and 62. Okay. Wait, I will share you the screen. Amongst who are sharing the PPT?
Ma'am, I'm sharing the PPT.
Okay,
55.
roll number 55, you know? Okay. Okay, madam. Now you start the share. Siddhi, I assign you as a host. You may share the PPT.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is visible?
No, madam, no.
No, ma'am.
Yes, madam. Yes.
Sharayu. Okay. Good
Please
morning
start.
to all. आवाज येतोय?
Yes, madam. Yes.
Yes,
Good morning to all. My name is Sharayu Lakshmikant Kokne, roll number 30. Here we are going to describe from novel drug delivery system. In that we are going to explain thermal drug delivery system point with my colleagues. My first point is definition. Thermal drug delivery system is defined as transdermal drug delivery is defined a self-contained discrete dosage form which, when applied to inert skin, will deliver drug at a controlled rate to systemic circulation. This can be explained as TDDS is self-include or carry discrete dosage form that can apply or spread to complete entire skin, will distribute drug at controlled rate to systemic circulation. Next definition is transdermal drug delivery system or patches are dosage form designed to deliver a therapeutically effect amount of drug across the patient's skin, also defined as medicated adhesive patch that is placed on skin to deliver specific dosage of medication through the skin and into the bloodstream, which can also be explained as transdermal drug delivery system or patches are the dosage form which are designed creates to deliver a therapeutically effective amount of drug across patient's skin, also defined as medicated adhesive patches, which can put down or placed on the skin to transport or deliver the specific dose of medication between the skin and into the bloodstream. Factor affecting permeation as follow. The factor influencing dermal penetration of the drug such are as below. The first main factor is biological factor, which can divided into following points. First is skin condition, second is skin age, third blood flow, fourth regional skin type, fifth skin metabolism, sixth spices difference penetration of the drugs. Second factor is physiochemical factor, again divides in such points which are first is skin hydration, second is temperature and pH, third is diffusion coefficient, fourth is drug concentration, fifth is partition coefficient, sixth is molecular size and shape, and last is solubility, ionization, melting point. Next point will describe by Anjali Pawar.
Good morning to everyone. I am Anjali Vilas Pawar, roll number 43. Today we discuss about the factor affecting on the permeation in that biological factor. First factor is the skin age. Skin of fetus, young ones and elder, it is more permeable than adult tissue. Mean that the fetus is a skin, it is more smooth and more sensitive than the younger ones, than the adults. So permeation, it is more seen in the younger and fetus. After that, next point is skin metabolism. Viable epidermis, it is metabolically active than the dermis. If topical applied drug, it is subjected to the biotransformation. During the permeation, local and systematic bioavailability, it is affected. In the we see anatomy of the skin. In that viable epidermis is the point where the catabolic activity it is more seen as compared to the dermis. In this figure there is various routes of drug delivery. One, it is a hair follicle, second it is a sweat gland, paracellular and transdermal. These are the route as seen in figure. Next slide. Second factor which affect it is circulatory effect. Change in peripheral circulation of the blood flow through the dermis could affect on percutaneous absorption. Thus, increase in flow could reduce the time of penetrant remains concentration gradient across the skin. Means that increase in blood flow through the skin increase our permeation rate. Means absorption it is takes place faster. Next point is explained by the Siddhi.
Good morning to all. I'm Siddhi Vithaldas. Before knowing that how these factors are affect on the permeation, we have to firstly know that what is the skin and what are the functions of the skin. So skin is the largest part of the body which covers the all body and which protects the entering of the foreign particles in the body and which protect from thermal, mechanical or physical injury. And we know that the stratum corneum is the major barrier to pass the drug. Then when the drug is passes from stratum corneum to the inner layer, and from inner layer it goes through the bloodstream and through it passes through all over the body. So first is rational skin site. So what is rational skin site? Diffusion is faster in a trunk arm region as compared to the palm region and foot region. We know that that trunk arm has a largest surface area. So according to the weight and the surface area, trunk has the largest absorption. Next is the physiochemical factors. Physiochemical factors means abiotic factors, that is chemical factors. Then lipid film, it acts as a protective layer to prevent the removal of moisture from the skin. Means we have to prevent the moisture from the skin. So prevent removal of moisture. So this lipid film is on the skin. Defending of this film will decrease the absorption. Due to this lipid film, there is a rate of absorption is decreases. And then skin hydration, it is can be achieved by covering of the skin with a plastic sheet, which leads to the accumulation of sweat, condensed water vapors, increasing hydration and increased porosity. When the hydration of the skin is increases, automatically porosity of the skin is also increases. Therefore also permeation increases. Water, we know that water is the safest and common penetration enhancer. It increases the rate of penetration in of the drug through the skin. So when the hydration increases, permeation increases. When the skin is hydrated, then it is easiest way to deliver the hydrophilic molecule. Water molecule act as a inter and intra pathway. So the permeation and fluidity increases. Higher permeation is of polar and non-polar compound occurs. Then the next point will be explained by Gauri Bonsode. And this is the structure of skin. There is a lipid film and stratum corneum. From this drug it passes through to the dermis. Next point, Gauri.
Good afternoon to all. Next, physiochemical factor is pH and penetration concentration. A moderate pH is favorable because if solution with high or low pH will result in destruction to the skin. If any solution is applied whose pH value are can be as a destruction to the skin. Hence, moderate pH favorable for drug to penetrate through skin. Natural pH value is 5 to 5.5. Next one, higher the concentration of the drug. अगोदरची slide. Higher the concentration of the drug in vehicle, faster the absorption. If the concentration of drug in vehicle is higher, then the rate of absorption is faster. At a higher concentration than solubility, the excess solid drug will function as a reservoir and maintain a constant drug constitution for prolonged period of time. Next slide. Next factor is solubility and partition coefficient. In that, solubility of drug influences its ability to penetrate the skin. Increased pK is the index of solubility of drug in vehicle, and stratum corneum has on transfer of drug from vehicle to skin. Solubility of drug greatly influences or affected on ability to penetrate into skin. Partition coefficient, which is the index of relative solubilization of drug in a vehicle, and a stratum corneum has a influences on transfer of drug from vehicle into the skin. Drug solubility determines concentration of drug present on absorption site, thus can be affected rate and extent of drug absorption. Next. Skin permeation can be enhanced by increasing lipophilic character of drug so that drug penetrate through stratum corneum but not through epidermis due to decreased water solubility. Skin permeation can be increased by increasing lipophilic character of drug. Therefore, drug having both lipid or water solubility are well absorbed through skin. Hence, a drug which is lipid and water soluble are favorable. Next one explained by Rukmini.
Good afternoon to all. I am Rukmini Kadam. Now I am going to explain how molecular weight and effect of vehicle affect on transdermal drug delivery system. In that first, molecular weight. Molecular weight of drug is another factor that affect its ability to diffuse across the skin. The diffusion coefficient is a measure of diffusion resistance affected by membrane to any molecule and related to molecular size. Solute with molecular weight 800 to 1000 Dalton with adequate solubility in mineral oil and water can penetrate through the skin. And last point is the effect of vehicle. A vehicle can influence absorption by its effect on physical state of drug and skin. For example, greases, paraffin bases are more occlusive while water in oil bases are less. Drug absorption enhanced from vehicle that easily cover the skin surface mix readily with the sebum. What is sebum? Sebum is an oily secretion of the sebaceous gland. Vehicle that increase the amount of moisture embedded by the skin improve the drug absorption. For example, oleaginous vehicle, humectant in bases will hydrate the skin and decrease the percutaneous absorption. Thank you to all.
Okay, then today we are completed the 2 groups and actually we are extending the time. So tomorrow we are planning to next 3 groups. आज लेट झाला सो तुम्हाला थोडंसं मॅनेजमेंटला त्यामुळे आपल्याला काय झालंय आपल्याला पुढे गेलंय आपलं टायमिंग. सो नेक्स्ट टाइम काय करूयात आपण नेक्स्ट लेक्चरला नेक्स्ट 3 ग्रुप that is I will told you the roll number group number 3 roll number 7 66 22 51 61 roll number 4 sorry group number 4 roll number 29 3 8 53 21 and next roll number group number 5 roll number 10 47 39 6 and 50 ह्या ग्रुपनी रेडी राहायचं नेक्स्ट लेक्चर्सला. क्लिअर एव्हरीवन? Okay, then I will stop the presentation.